This is a tough question for question 12 of a paper, and you'll see why in a minute. So we've got the area of the square equal to the area of the trapezium. This one will have an area of x squared. And then the trapezium, well, you need to know the formula for a trapezium, that it's a half a plus b multiplied by h. I'm not going to go into that where that comes from right now, but in this case, it's going to be a half. A is one of the parallel sides. It's normally the smaller one. It doesn't matter really. B is the other one, say 10, and then we're going to multiply that by 6. And then I could just multiply the half and the 6 together. That's okay to do because the order of multiplication does not matter. And we're going to get 3x plus 30. Okay, what now? It says they're equal, so I'm actually going to have to set the area of the square equal to the area of the trapezium, and I've got a quadratic coming out. To solve a quadratic, we write it on the same side, so I have minus 3x and minus 30. Now, standard procedure is to try and factorize this, find two numbers that multiply to give minus 30 and add to give minus 3, but in this case, it does not factorize, which is what makes this question not particularly nice. So you actually have to resort to the quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac square rooted all over 2a. So for us, that's going to be 3 plus or minus 3 squared. Be sure to put it in a bracket. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 30 all divided by 2. Okay, can sometimes take a few little shortcuts. Just be careful, but the double negative means I'm just going to be adding 4 times 30. I've done minus 3 squared in my head. Okay, it doesn't say whether to leave it exact or not. So the exact one is 3 plus root 129 divided by 2. Or it's going to be 3 minus root 129 divided by 2. But that one's going to be negative if I put a negative in. So I would reject this one. Reject. And actually, I think it's absolutely fine to leave this as the answer. I might just tidy it up and give it to 3 significant figures. Just in case that's what's being looked for. So 7.1789. Which is 7.18 centimeters, but the exact answer is better. It doesn't say to actually round it here.